Ugh. I don't understand when to use boring or bored. If something does not interest you, you can say that it is boring. That thing makes you feel bored. So can I say I'm boring? Yes, you can, but be careful. That means you are not fun or you are not interesting. You are saying that you are boring and that you make other people feel bored. Oh, no, I don't want to say that. What about interesting and interested? Yes, they work the same as boring and bored. For example, let's say you're reading a really interesting book, like this one. This book, we can say the book is interesting, right? The book is interesting. And when you read the book, it makes you feel interested. And surprising and surprised? Yep. For example, if you get some news that shocks you, you can say that that news is surprising. The news is surprising. And when you hear that news, you feel surprised. What are some other ones? And what's this grammar called? These are called participial adjectives, and there are a lot of them. For example, you have exciting and excited, confusing and confused, shocking and shocked, and depressing and depressed. That's really good to know. Thanks. You bet. Anytime.